Hello everyone, it's Antonio with Showtime and High Caliber Auto Glass. Today I will be showing you, if you were interested in getting into collision repair, this is a good starter setup for any technician.
Why are we doing this?
Okay, so now the brand doesn't necessarily matter, especially if you're starting off. This is just what I have. In other videos, I will be discussing different brands or comparing tools, but for this is not the purpose of this video. It's just to show the tools that are required to start off. Okay. If you're just starting off, I'm sure that you're probably just going to be disassembling vehicles. So this is basically going to cover all that. Right here I have a 1/4 inch set. It's deep and shallow, and you want to get a complete set. This one is from 5mm up to 15. Same deep and shallow for 1/4 inch, and also for 3/8 you want to get a complete set, no skips. And then just a standard 1/4 inch ratchet. I would recommend if you could do a flex head, makes it a lot nicer. And also with the 3/8, same thing. This was a locking flex head. Okay. And you also want various extensions for your 3/8 and your 1/4 inch. This one's a locking extension. Put it on there, it locks. Helps you from losing them. And this is just a 1 plus, so when you put it on there, this is for the 3/8. The 3 main pliers that you usually always use, it's needle nose, a slip joint, and also some dikes. Okay. As you progress in your career, you're gonna need longer ones, 90-degree ones, different ones, but this is very good to just start off with. Also, an assortment of panel poppers. These are the 3 that I always have in my cart. Ones you'll probably use the most. This is actually very, very good to have. Helps you with those tree clips. They're stubborn. This is very, very thin. It won't bend on you that easy anyway, compared to a plastic one, but you also need a plastic one so you're not marring the surfaces that you're trying to pry apart. So an assortment of panel poppers. Also, one of these. This is great. It's another type of panel popper. And various hook tools. You'll find yourself when you're disconnecting all those wiring harness. This really, really helps you out with that. So I got a bigger one, a little smaller one, 90-degree. And like I said, to start off, this will help you with, I would say, like 90% of everything that you're taking apart in the car. And as you progress, like I said, you could get into more various panel poppers or sockets. Next, pretty good bit set. This one's just Torx and Phillips. These ones are nice, so you don't have to put the extension if they're already long. And the most common size that you'll be using is from T8 to 30. You also need 40, and it goes up higher, but this is almost always what you're going to be using for interior work, especially 30. Or you could do something like this, where it has the shorter ones and also has hex. And you just use this, you put them on there, extend them, make them a little longer. It's just, these are nice because sometimes you can get into more narrow places compared to these. Okay, now this is not necessarily for beginners, but it would be nice to get it as soon as you can. A screw gun, an electric ratchet. Now for body work, we use so much 1/4 inch stuff because like I said, we're just taking off panels, bumpers, interior work. So 1/4 inch, you're always using 1/4 inch. That's probably the main thing you use. You could get by without it and just have this and screwdrivers, but this will make you so much more efficient, make it work a lot faster, and you will use it almost immediately. Also, a hammer, and I would say a variety of pry bars. Again, it does not have to be Snap-on. The brand doesn't matter when you're starting off, but I would say that these are the core basic tools that you do need. So it wouldn't be bad to get something a little higher quality if you wanted to. and then go from there. For those of you that are thinking of doing auto body work, this is a great little setup to get started with. There is other little things that I will go over in other videos, like swivel heads and stuff like that make it so much easier to do your work. But like I said, this is just for the beginner. And now, any of you out there that do body work, and if you guys feel like I missed anything or anything that I should have added onto this list right here, make sure you leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.